number 15? Question number 15 is, read this carefully. They are not asking definitions, but they are asking functions of the following. What do we have here? We have got corpus luteum, endometrium, acrosome, sperm tail, and fimbriae. Okay, going ahead. What is corpus luteum? Corpus luteum serves as a temporary endocrine gland by secreting hormone known as progesterone. Students, this is very, very important. Please note down that corpus luteum serves as a temporary endocrine gland by secreting a hormone known as progesterone and estrogen. Now, going ahead. What is endometrium? Endometrium undergoes a cyclical change during the menstrual cycle, also acts as a bed for implantation of fertilization of an ovum. Third, acrosome. What is acrosome? Acrosome is found on the head of a sperm and it is filled with an enzyme that helps the fertilization of an ovum. That enzyme is hyaluronic acid. And lastly, we've got sperm tail, which facilitates sperm motility and essential for fertilization. So, sperm tail will rotate in this motion so that the sperm moves across the membrane of an ovum. And lastly, we've got fimbriae. Fimbriae helps in collection of an ovum after an ovulation. What? After ovulation.